Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Real-time object tracking with yolov9 and DeepSORT. Object tracking is a crucial task in computer vision that involves detecting and following objects in a sequence of frames. In this tutorial, we will explore how to implement real-time object tracking using yolov9 for object detection and the DeepSORT, simple online and real-time tracking, algorithm for tracking those objects across frames. Prerequisites. 1. Python. Ensure Python 3.6 or higher is installed. 2. Libraries. You will need the following libraries. opencv-python. Torch, for yolov9. Numpy. Scipy. You can install them using pip. 3. Clone yolov9 repository. You can find yolov9 on GitHub. Clone the repository and follow any installation instructions provided in the readme. 4. DeepSORT implementation. You can get DeepSORT from its GitHub repository. Clone it and install any required dependencies. Step-by-step implementation. 1. Load yolov9 model. First, load the yolov9 model for object detection. 2. Initialize video capture. Use opencv to capture video from a webcam or a video file. 3. Run object detection. For each frame from the video, use yolov9 to detect objects. 4. Apply DeepSORT. Use the detections from yolov9 and feed them into the DeepSORT algorithm to track objects across frames. 5. Display results. Draw bounding boxes and labels on the output frames and display them. Code example. Here is a simple example of how to implement the above steps. Explanation of the code. 1. Loading yolov9. We load a pre-trained yolov9 model using torch.hub.load. 2. Initializing DeepSORT. We create an instance of the DeepSORT tracker. 3. Video capture. We initialize opencv to capture video. Change the parameter in video capture to read from a file if needed. 4. Processing each frame. For each frame captured, we resize it, run yolov9 to get detections, and prepare the bounding boxes and confidences for DeepSORT. 5. Tracking. We update the DeepSORT tracker with the bounding boxes and confidences and then draw the results on the frame. 6. Displaying the output. We display the frame with the tracked objects and their IDs. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we set up a real-time object tracking system using yolov9 and the DeepSORT algorithm. This setup can be extended for various applications such as surveillance, sports analytics, and more. Make sure to adapt paths and configurations based on your specific setup, and feel free to experiment with different yolov9 configurations and models for improved performance.